My name is Eric Streck. I'm the co-coordinator here at Power Camp. Power Camp is a summer program that GIPS holds. It's for 2nd through 5th graders. It's provided to all the Title I schools here in the district.
My name is Asha Guerrero and I am the onstage teacher. Power Camp offers like a lot of different classes like Legos, art, movement, engineering, mad scientist on stage. So for students to be able to come and spend 40-45 minutes in each classroom running wild with their creativity, it's just a fun way to celebrate the end of the school year.
We provide it Monday through Thursday, Monday through Wednesday being just STEM classes that can go from anywhere from wilderness to art, just things that students really wouldn't see during the school year. And then Thursdays we invite community members to come in, like Happy Brush for the first week, Imagination City, and then my favorite of this year would be David Neves from Bellevue. He's an author and then a herpetologist, so he brought his huge snake and a couple other snakes and lizards that he calls his pets.
My name is Rudy Cabrera, and I'm going into 4th grade, and my school is Dodge. My favorite thing about Power Camp is movement, because we could do, we play flashlight tag. It's like when you turn off all the lights and you have flashlights, and that's fun. Power Camp is a place where you can do fun activities and have fun.
My name is Bernice Mospa. I'm going to 6th grade at Barr Middle School. It's been really fun. There's different activities each year. We get to do sculpting and Legos.
The Lego teacher gives you challenge, to make you build something out of Legos. And we have art where you can just make stuff.
They've worked hard all year long in their classrooms, so to come here and just have fun with their friends, and like I said, just be creative without oh, there's no grading, there's no grade book, there's no assessment, it's just fun. It's beneficial.